This is Biotronix electromagnetic shockwave. This comes with all these attachments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and these rubber pads and one handle opener. It has the following features. These are the protocols: elbow, knee, shoulder, hip, ED, special feature for ED also, hand, wrist, lumbar region, foot, ankle, fat accumulation. Now we will start this. Suppose you are using this function. You can select the parameters like energy as per your requirement, frequency as per your requirement, then press the start button. Machine will start, and as soon as you press the start button from the handle, instead of foot switch, it has an inbuilt button. This is the back view of the same machine, and this is the suitcase in which it is packed. So easy to transport. Select the fat function. Select ED.